In this video, we'll show you how to clean the condensate filter on your Gradient all-weather 120 volt. A message will appear on the user interface when it's time to clean your unit's condensate filter. First, power off and unplug the unit. Then, pull off the front cover. Pull the condensate filter upward until the bottom end is visible. Take the filter out of the tray. The tube should stay on. Never pull on or remove the tube. Unscrew the filter. Don't try to remove the top part. That should never come off. When you clean the filter, use distilled water or bleach solution, never plain tap water. To make the bleach solution, add 1 teaspoon of bleach to a gallon of water. Use a pipe cleaner or a brush to remove any trapped sediment and clean out the inside of the condensate filter. Once the filter is clean, make sure the O-ring is in place before reassembling the filter. Then, screw it back into the plastic housing. Lift the filter to return it to the tray. Make sure the tubing routes into the side of the unit without bending or twisting. Reattach the front cover, then plug in and power on.